Okay, this short video is for the do-it-yourselfer, or someone who thinks they may have something before they call a professional, or you may be able to do some of this yourself. Okay, some companies, I don't like to say lie to you, but some people, some of the techniques are not as experienced, and the companies will sometimes send them out. I'm not going to name any companies because I don't like to do that. I've been in this business for almost 40 years. I know the mistakes before they even make them. Even when I hire someone that has experience, I train them my way. So sometimes people identify a bug or an evidence of a bug, and it may be ants and not termites. It happens all the time. People bring stuff in, they bring a picture, they bring pellets, they bring dirt, and I can tell them exactly what they have. Okay, we have pictures, we have actual wings. So when you're doing a DIY, do-it-yourself inspection, look at the windowsills, because when termites swarm, they go towards the windows generally. Okay, or if you open up your attic hatch, they're generally right around the hatch because that's where the light kind of comes through from the house. But generally, you can look at your windowsills, look for evidence of pellets, or feces. Is pellets the same as feces, or wings by themselves, or even the bug itself. But a lot of times, or then you can look closely at the sides, and you see little pinholes. That's the kick-out holes that termites come in and out of, mainly in the spring. Other times of the year, it doesn't happen as much. Sometimes you have a what they call a mini season in the fall, like September-ish, around that time of year. But generally in the spring, between April and July is when you see most of the swarms. Drywood termites will leave pellets, and I'll show you that in a minute. Subterranean termites has become a problem over the last 10 or 12 years. If you have subterranean termites, for most of subterranean termites, you may want to consider doing treatment in the ground and a tent. If it was my house, which I've done it before, I'm going to tent and drill the foundation to make sure you get rid of the whole columns. Subterranean termites, for most subterranean termites, are very ferocious. The swarms are huge, and you can actually hear them. It sounds like a paper just. Those of you who are do-it-yourself, I'm going to tell you a quick way you could do your own identification, and you can bring them to us. We can also do more defined identification for you. Here's an example. These are termites. See the wings? Okay, but sometimes you only see the wings. Okay, because the termite generally will drop the wings and you'll just see the bug itself. But basically, you're going to see wings alone, or sometimes you see some bodies. Okay, these are termite evidence. It's really feces from termites, but they call them pellets, they call them frass. It comes in different colors: black, tan, white, even. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see. Can you see this? Okay, these are termite pellets. Okay, sometimes people bring in dirt that ants produce, and it's just ants. This is a carpenter ant. And another company will tell them, again, I don't put down other companies, will tell them that this is termites. It's clearly not termites. Now, carpenter ants do come in different sizes, and they also have wings. So people will bring them in and say, oh, this company told me I had termites, and I'll put them under the microscope. You'll see another thing, and we identify for them, no, this is termites, this is ants. This is frass, which is another way of saying termite pellets, or frass, or feces, really, of termites. So if you see this around your door frame, window frame, you have termites.